Obsessed with the Cyberpunk Tokyo from Blade Runner, Asia Odyssey Travel has a better recommendation. Book a flight to Chongqing, China for real-life Inception architecture mixed with absolute neon chaos. Today, I'm taking you inside our Asia Odyssey Travel 4 days Chongqing group tour to show you exactly how to conquer this 8D cyberpunk city and its surrounding wilderness. To instantly understand the sheer chaotic scale of this place, we drop you into Liziba Station. The transit authority literally built a commuter train straight through the middle of a high-rise apartment block. You're standing there and a massive train just rolls through someone's living room. If you think that messes with your depth perception, wait until you step onto the Kuixing Building plaza. You walk out onto what feels like a normal ground-level square, stroll to the edge, and suddenly realize you are hanging 27 stories above the actual street below. So yeah, keep a desk grip on your phone. As the skyline darkens, the concrete jungle swaps to ancient magic at Hongya Cave. This massive stilt house complex on the river cliff lights up, looking completely identical to the bathhouse from Spirited Away. Finally, we escape into the wild to the Wulong Karst bridges. Is heading all the way out to the Wulong Karst actually worth the trip? Just ask Michael Bay. He chose these exact UNESCO sinkholes to shoot the Transformers 4. You'll take a near 1,000-foot glass elevator straight down into a lush, prehistoric-looking gorge. How on earth do I survive in this magic city? Yes, Google Maps will completely betray you in this 3D city. The local hot pot can absolutely melt your face off, and figuring out rural bus routes to those sinkholes without fluent Mandarin is a logistical nightmare. Skip the stress and experience the absolute best of Chongqing with Asia Odyssey Travel. Check the link below to see the day-by-day breakdown and the current pricing for this 4-day run. Hit that follow button to keep your Asia travel radar sharp, and I'll see you on the road.